Appreciate you. Not only did I pick up some heat, and it's some heat, but I do have everything that's going on this week in sneaks. YouTube family. Man, what's good? What's going on with y'all this week? Man, I know it's the middle of the week, but we must talk about the things that are happening towards the end of this week, man. What's good with y'all? It's your boy Jay here. You know what I'm saying? To give y'all this daily sneaker content. If this is your first time popping out and checking out and rocking out with the fam, slight bars, you know what I'm saying? I need for you to stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button down below. Join the fam, as well as if you have been a member or you think you have been a member of the fam, man, double check. Make sure that you're still subscribed. Make sure that the button is gray. And yes, it will be truly appreciated, y'all. We on that road, man. We on that road to that 200 this year, man. So let's make that happen. But yes, outside of that, y'all, we can start off with things that have happened today, y'all. Did anyone get lucky? Does anybody feel lucky? Bang! Because we did have the release of the Jordan 5 Lucky Greens, y'all. This was a women's exclusive that did not go up to extended sizes, man. Shame on Jordan brand, man. Look, I told y'all during my first look, this easily could have been a banger as a full family size shoe. Very clean pair, man. It sold out in my area. Comment down below how it did in your area, man. I think it did very, very good overall. Like I said, especially those big sizes. And I think it sold just a tad bit better because of tax time, you know, a lot of tax things are going on right now. Everybody's thousandaires to say. But yes, man, these did drop today. And if you are wondering, you know, you're like, what is that fire piece you are rocking, Jay? This does come from Outrank brand, y'all. They do have it available now exclusively online on their website, y'all. If you guys head over there, you will see that they have this item as well as several other items to go with the Jordan 5 Lucky Greens. And take a look at this piece right here. It does have the solid white background, hits of green. You got the hand, you got the dice. Hey, watch the ones you roll with. Bars, man. But take a look at it. It goes perfectly with the Lucky Green Air Jordan 5s. Like I said, if you got Lucky Green 1s, if you have any shoes with just a splash of green, this might be a perfect sweatshirt for you, because you can just offset things, you know what I'm saying? Make that green pop out, y'all. But definitely check them out. They have hats, they have joggers, they have, you name it, y'all. They have it all over there for the Jordan 5 Lucky Greens. And this isn't the only shoe that it can pair up with, y'all. So check them out. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. But Jordan 5 Lucky Greens was a thing that happened today. Comment down below. How did they do? Was it a go? Was it a not? I mean, hey, let me know. My guy, bang! Outside of that, y'all, we have to take a quick commercial break. My wife is calling. Where was I? So yes, I do have a package here, y'all. I had this for like 2 weeks, y'all. I've had this for a while. I did pick this up from GOAT, y'all. This was a GOAT pickup. I placed a bid on these shoes. My bid got accepted. However, that in particular shoe did not pass GOAT's authentication process. So once GOAT canceled the order, I was like, man, I got the itch, bro. I was anticipating the shoes. I was like, bro, I need them, bro. So I went ahead and just bought them for the lowest ask. And I mean, at the time, they were about $150 cheaper than what they're going for right now. This shoe is going up fast in price, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but this shoe is going up real fast in price. Yes, got them right here. You see the bottom of the box. I'm glad I opened it from this end, but it is a all over black box with a little bit of taxi yellow on it, y'all. Bang, man. So take a look at the box right there, and it's upside down. There you go. That's more like it, y'all. We do got the box. It does have, you know, the black shiny gloss with the yellow writing. Of course, you know what this is by now. Branding all over this box, man. So I did pick up a pair of the ASIC gallery department joints, y'all. So size tag on this one reads GT-2160. Color blocking is white pure silver, and it is a size 9. Hopefully they fit true to size, y'all. But the prices of these are going up like rapidly, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Why are they going up so fast? But GOAT, you know, verification stuff right here. And it does have gallery department and ASICs branding all throughout the shoe paper right there. And outside of that, we do got the shoes, the gallery department, ASICs. Bang, y'all. So there they are, man. Definitely a shoe that I've had my eye on. did I like must have them? Like, nah, it wasn't a must have. It's just limited. You know, when it's limited, it does something to your boy. Like, not everyone will have this shoe. So I challenge myself, like, let me go ahead and grab those and let me style them up so, you know, I can stand out and be different from the crowd. That's just my take on things, y'all. I mean, I got all this other regular things that everybody else got, you know. Why not get something that's slick, limited, and yeah, rock them joints crazy. Bang! Here they go right here, y'all. The gallery department. Asics. I've seen a couple videos of people doing customizations on regular Asics and making these, y'all, but no, it is not the same. It is not the same. You see that little yellow tab on the back? It hit different. You feel what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can splash paint and do whatever you want on it, but you know, you're gonna pay a couple $100 more for that yellow tab, you know what I'm saying? Not saying it's worth it, but hey, Jay the Hype Beast, you know what I'm saying? But I definitely think that this is a shoe that can separate myself, you know, from things that everybody else wear on a daily basis. I just gotta put together the right fit for it, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I love challenging myself. But the gallery department Asics, I do have them in the collection, and I had them for a while. Like I said, they just been sitting in the box. But gallery department joints, you see, got it right there on the insole as well. But these, y'all, I don't know what's going on, man. I think like bigger sizes, they might be going for like over $1,000, like over $1,000 for these. Is crazy, but that's what they going for. I paid $600. I'll let y'all know I paid $600 for these. Yes, it might be kind of pricey, but I think right now the lowest ask is in the 7s, you know what I'm saying? And that's before fees. I paid $600 after fees, you know, so yeah. Got them in the collection. I will put these together. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me over there, man. You'll see your boy Jay style these up. But outside of that, didn't mean to do you like that, bro. But yeah, guys, to go. We got some more sneaks to talk about of what's going on this week. Let's get back to it. So tomorrow, y'all, tomorrow, February 29th, the last day of the month, Nike is ending off the month with, I mean, a banger in my opinion, y'all. We do have a OG classic returning, and I'm glad they didn't mess them up. They brought them back, and they brought them back with style, and that is the Nike Foamposite 1. Bang! The eggplants, man. The eggplants are back, y'all. So officially returning tomorrow, February 29th, for a retail price of $240. We gotta get up on that one. So for 240 single dollar bills, you can obtain a pair of these. Oh, that's before tax too. So you might be 260 off the hip, you know what I'm saying, once it's all said and done. But man, y'all, these prices of these foams is kind of crazy. But I mean, they getting away with murder. If their shoes can sell at that price, guess what they gonna do? They gonna keep selling it at that price, you know what I'm saying? But foams in 2024, that is the new standard price, $240, and they are selling, y'all. So foams outside of New York, y'all, I was shocked. When I went to New York, I seen a lot of the anthracite. A lot of the anthracite foams were sitting. Almost every store I went to, they were sitting. But here in the South, y'all, I mean, and I think it should be the opposite. Foams aren't really sitting like that, man. I don't really see too many foams. They sell out here. But the eggplants, I'm curious to see how these will sell, y'all. If you guys are from up north, New York, or anywhere that wear foams, comment down below. Are you gonna be picking up the Foamposite eggplants, or is just the foam era done? Comment down below. I wanna know how y'all are feeling, what y'all doing with these foams. And although the Foamposite is a pretty much indestructible shoe, it does have these icy bottoms on it, y'all. So that brings me into my next point of the video, you know, keep them things icy. Bang! With capsule sneaker preservers, y'all. So check this out. If you guys have any grails, if you have any shoes in your collection that you hold near and dear to you, you just look at them, you like, bro, them things are so fresh. Like the whitest of the white shoe. When you just buy them, if you want to keep those shoes looking as good and pretty much in as pristine condition for the longest amount of time that you possibly can, this is the product that you need to tap into. Capsule Sneaker Preservers, y'all, is a product that has been recommended by tons and tons of big companies. I will put a list up right there, man. All those companies have recommended this in particular product. Why? Because it works, you know what I'm saying? This product has been lab tested to preserve your shoes and keep them lasting up to 2 times longer than its original lifespan. It would help it from cracking, yellowing. It preserves it from a lot of different things, y'all, and it does come with a special packaging. Of course, this cylinder, inside the cylinder you will have the shoe preserver bag as well as a cartridge and the cartridge sprayer, which will all be, like I said, located in this. What you then do from there, y'all, is you follow the simple steps. They do have a QR code on the bottom of the back of the cylinder, and when you do hit that QR code, it will bring you to the site that walks you simply through the steps on how to start preserving your shoes. It is very quick. I can actually put up a sped up video on the screen, show y'all just how fast it works, y'all. But this product is proven to work, y'all. Definitely check it out, man. If you guys want to store any shoes, y'all have been asking me about, Jay, how do you keep your shoes clean and how you preserve them? Because you guys have seen me in the past with Ziploc bags, but Ziploc bags for me are a thing of the past. Bang! I have been switching over slowly but surely to the capsule bags, and of course, not only does it preserve and store my shoes, I definitely use them for storage. Whenever I want to just step out, I can throw them inside one of these bags, throw this inside my travel bag, and I'm good, y'all, man. But definitely a product that is worth checking out. It is lab tested, it is proven to work. That's why it is recommended highly by a lot of companies, and you guys can get it for a discounted price by using my promo code J20, y'all. So take advantage, y'all. Premium bags. And people have been asking me, because people have been picking them up, they've asked me about the lock on this, y'all. They're like, Jay, does it feel like it's gonna break? No, it is a very highly quality built product. So of course, with the preservation that it has, it needs to be like very firm, very hard to get into. So you gotta tug on it pretty hard to get inside of it, because it is sealed, y'all. Sealed for freshness, man. But take advantage. I've been throwing all my grails in there. Of course, I got my off-whites, I got my free throw lines. I've been converting a lot of my grails, my good shoes that I want to keep looking fresh, into these bags little by little, because I'm not rich. I can't buy my whole collection worth of bags at once, but I am doing it little by little. And yeah, this is the wave, y'all. You can save some money, like I told y'all, by using that promo code. Definitely check them out if you have any grails, Jordan 11s, especially like with those bottoms yellowing. Hey, it helps preserve that, man. So keep them shoes looking fresh, keep them looking icy, keep them looking just like they came straight from the store, y'all, with Capsule sneaker preservers, y'all. Let's talk about what is still going on this week in sneaks. So yes, y'all, look, not only will you get you a nice long-lasting shoe, you can keep them icy on the bottom with what I just told y'all about, man. So definitely check that out. Comment down below, are you copping foams? I want to know who is grabbing foams in 2024, because I still am. But that's not the only thing happening this week in sneaks. We got another OG returning. Let's talk about it. So on Saturday, y'all, Saturday the 1st of the month, March 1st, we do have a OG release returning, man. It is a shoe that I missed out on the first one, and of course it is returning with a little bit of alteration, a slight little change, you know what I'm saying? But change is good, man. We do have the Air Jordan 5. Bang, y'all. So the Olive 5 is returning this weekend. It will be returning in a full family size run, y'all. But I do think the price of this shoe is a killer, but it might not be, y'all. You know, look, Nike Jordan brand has a method to their madness. Why would they price a shoe at $225? You know, this shoe in particular at $225, but it is March, you know what I'm saying? And March, like I told y'all earlier, people be getting that little money. So Nike and Jordan brand said, I need that, bruh. So these, I don't think we'll have that much problem selling, man. They might sell actually better than previous Retro 5 releases. Why? Of course, it is the olives. A lot of people like the olives. And like I told y'all, man, it's a little bit more money out there in the economy. People are willing to spend a little more extra when it comes to these shoes, man. So for $225, I would just always just straight up off the back say, they're sitting. They're going to the outlets, all that good stuff. They still might be going to the outlets. They still might be sitting, but I still see these selling a lot better than previous Jordans, just for that simple fact of, just like I said, what's going on with the economy, the time, you know what I'm saying? But the Jordan 5 Olives, another shoe that you might want to throw them inside the capsule sneaker preservers, keep them joints looking icy. But fire shoe, glad that they came back. Different materials, but the shoe is pretty much the same, y'all. I gotta go ahead and hit y'all with the detailed review on feet to these as well, man. Just a clean pair, classic shoe. But y'all comment down below, are y'all copping these this weekend? Is it a pass? What are we doing, man? But I just wanted to highlight, of course, the things that are happening the end of this week because it is midweek the time we're making this video. So we got, of course, the Lucky Greens that released today. We got the foams releasing tomorrow. We got the 5s releasing on Saturday. What are you copping, man? Comment down below. And outside of that, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all thumbs it up. And I will see y'all back tomorrow. I gotta try to get y'all the on feet to the Lucky Green 5s. I gotta bang out some Foamposite content, man, because like I said, I never hit y'all with an on feet to the Foamposites over here on this channel, man. Let me know, man. Y'all watching that Foamposite video or not? Let me know so I can get motivated to go ahead and drop that and bring y'all some heat. But outside of that, 5s happening on Saturday. Let me know. Y'all stay blessed. I will catch y'all on the next video. Shop Capsules. Check them out. Y'all, lab tested, y'all. That's all I gotta say. It's A1. But I'm gone.